documentation. At this point, I really don't even care how I come on YouTube. Here's something. What's up, brats? We back with another video. So today is May 5th, the day before my 19th birthday. I don't really have nothing to vlog because we're on quarantine. I can't really have no... If you know me, you know my tradition for my birthday is a dinner, a brunch, a breakfast, then a hotel. That's just what it is, and that's what it's been, and that ain't changing. But this year it got to change because we're on quarantine. I can't have a brunch, dinner, or breakfast. So, but I will be having a birthday party the 16th of May. Me and Kendrick are gonna have a joint birthday party. Because if you know, hold on, the camera, if I'm looking over here, it's because the camera's right here, but I'm not looking over there. I'm looking over here because I'm looking at me. I could probably flip it though. I'm just flipping anyways. Okay. But so yeah, me and Kendrick are having a joint birthday. His birthday is the 10th, mine is the 6th. So yeah. But my birthday is tomorrow, and I'll be recording like my DIY photo shoot at home because man, let me tell y'all the whole plan on how my birthday was supposed to go. If quarantine wasn't here, like the COVID and Corona and Coronavirus, whatever you want to call it, if that wasn't here, I was gonna do like have a dinner or a brunch or something, do the hotel like I always do. I was gonna have my photo shoot. I can't do that because like funds just ain't my race to run right now. Okay. So I'm gonna have to do my own photo shoot, but I think it's gonna come out cool. I've been had the outfit 7 months in advance. Don't play with me. Been had my hair 7 months in advance. Don't play with me. Been had the theme 7 months in advance. Don't play with me. So all that's taken care of. She's sleeping her little heart out. And so is the little dog over there. Probably can't see him right there. But so yeah, I'm gonna just vlog it because I love to document like important stuff like this. So today I have to go to work and then I get my nails done today. So maybe that'll be a separate vlog, like a nail vlog or whatever. But I'm so excited. May is about to be a very important month for me. I'll make a big announcement at the end of this video to tell y'all like why. But so yeah. That's it. That's all for now. Hey guys, so me and Kendrick are on the way to go get my nails done, and yeah, so excited to get my nails done finally. I know like the design that I want, I think it's like so cute. It goes like with the theme of my birthday. So yeah, give me a kiss. Good morning. It is finally May 6th, which is my birthday. So super excited. So today, yeah, so since today is my actual if I'm looking over here, it's just a habit, but the camera is right there. I might flip it, I don't know. Let me just okay. So since today is my actual birthday, I'm gonna be doing like my DIY. I'm gonna be doing all of this because I finally got my nails done. I haven't had my nails done in like a long time. So therefore, if you see me doing a lot of this, it's just because I'm so excited because I got my nails done. So yeah, okay. But no, so today's my actual birthday, and I'm gonna be doing like my DIY photo shoot. So I'm gonna take you guys through like the process of that, so you can like know If you want to do it, you could just know like what I did. I did my hair. Let me tell y'all, it's a story on this real quick. This is a wig. I'll put like where I bought it from, like all the information, all the stuff about it somewhere. But yeah, I didn't record me putting this on because I'm not arrogant pay, okay? That ain't my race to run. That ain't my race to run. This was a struggle for me. I did it good enough to where it'll look good for the pictures, but cutting the lace, my whole little hairline scratched up because it's cut up from the razor, all that stuff. It's just horrible. So this probably will not be on my head for that long because like this just ain't for me. Yeah, this just ain't for me. So that's why I didn't record me doing nothing with this, because I can't help you with this because I don't even know what I'm doing, basically. But yeah, so I'll probably speed through me doing my makeup, maybe talk or whatever. But the main purpose of this video is to show you guys my photo shoot. So yeah, super excited about that. And I think the theme that I chose is pretty cool. And I just hope everything plans out right. I think it should. But yeah. So I'll be back probably when I get ready for the photo shoot. Oh, and also today's my birthday, and it's also his. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. He don't want to be on camera. He don't want to be on camera this morning. Say, hey, Dollar. Birthday! Why did nobody record her?
You have rollers in your face. Your mom has a cotton candy.
Oh, you look just like Ebony. Oh, thank you, Jazz.
These aren't bottles, but they will be.
Oh, my God. That's your bottle girl dance?
Yeah.
Oh, my God. I was wondering why she was in the garage for so long.
Oh, I was like, why is it black?
Oh.
You have other people and things coming.
Okay.
Your gift is either going to be here today or tomorrow.
Okay. My dad got me an ankle bracelet from James Avery. That's what it is. It says dog's best friend. Can't see it right now. Kendra got me AirPods. And he got me film for my camera because I said I needed this like really bad because I want to take pictures on my camera. Let me back up. Because I want to take pictures on my camera for my birthday. Look at her little singing voice, sound like mine. Oh my God. She gonna make me cry since I cried last night. Happy birthday. Mama, I got new Crocs!
It's too
Good morning.
Yeah,
I'm
I'll be over here later. Yeah.
Oh, this is so cute! Mine, this can go in my room. You can hang it up.
Oh, yeah, girl. What y'all thought?
Look, Daddy.
What's good? Look. When did y'all make that?
Oh, look!
Oh, they got old granny in there. Oh, y'all going on. I love it.
Hey, no cry. No cry. No cry.
She gonna stop.
How you got her in there?
Oh, Lord.
Let me see.
Stop!
Yes. Okay, now we can tell you the background story. We asked Kendrick what's up.
7 men.
That's what I'm saying. That's
You
what I
said a
heard.
7.
God, my these are cute. Huh? I love these.
I was like, y'all was at the exchange.
Yeah, I found them yesterday.
Yeah, I like these.
Ebony was doubting us real bad. She was like,
Where y'all
I hope
found
you
these
found them
at?
Crocs. And I found out, I was like, found the Crocs. Ha!
Where y'all found them? Because I only seen these on Amazon. I'm excited.
Super cute.
I love these.
But y'all remember you like army fatigue?
Yeah, I like
snake
them.
skin.
Oh my God, y'all!
Yeah.
Thanks so much for my stuff.
And I got you a little book for when you leave and everybody can put their contacts.
Okay. Well, then I'll have this set up for when we had a party and stuff, so people
Yeah.
can sign
So
it.
Mama has, this looks like a cinnamon toast. I'm about to say crunch cake. I was about to say cinnamon toast crunch cake. She has like a French toast little stack going on. That ain't nothing. Hash brown, and what these called, Daddy? Little smokies.
Yeah, little smoky.
She got the grits with shrimp and stuff. My same difference. I got eggs. So yeah. And I set my room up like this is my gifts. Jazz bought me these 2 balloons, and Kendrick brought me this balloon from the party that we had a couple of days ago. Shaterica got me this little basket with my name and stuff, just a close up so you guys can see a letter, these cute Crocs, pictures of me, chips, Gatorade, a little book for when I leave, and the anklet, and then Kendra got me some AirPods. So that's how that looks. Okay, so we have all ate breakfast and stuff. Jazz is over here getting her hair done.
Don't you do it?
Okay.
You
Okay.
better put a blurry face clip
Man,
art block.
Jazz, oops, let me fix the camera again. Jazz is getting her hair done, so right now I'm finna do my makeup for the my pictures. I'm probably gonna time lapse or speed through it because it takes a long time, and I just want to listen to music and talk. But right now, all I did was just yeah, I don't know if I was about to say shave or what I was finna say. I just arched them with these little things. So yeah, we're just gonna speed through that. Cue the next clip.
Pretty girls stand up. All the pretty boys stand up. Pretty boys in the building. This right here is my sweat. All the girls are on me. Damn. Come get in my car.
Okay, so okay, I'm doing my makeup. I just want to put some chapstick on because my lips dry. But yeah, I'm doing my makeup. So now what I'm gonna do is we're about to go and start setting up for the photo shoot. So yeah, so it's going there.